Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an oat latte at home. First, gather your tools. You'll need an espresso machine or a mocha pot for your coffee base. A milk frother, or even a simple whisk, is crucial for achieving that perfect creamy oat milk texture. Don't forget a coffee grinder for fresh beans and a kitchen scale for precise measurements. These items are key to a delicious homemade latte experience. Now let's brew your coffee. Always start with freshly ground coffee beans. This makes a huge difference in taste. For espresso, you'll want a fine grind, roughly the consistency of table salt. Measure about 7 to 8 grams of coffee per shot. Brew 1 or 2 shots of espresso, which is typically 1 to 2 ounces, directly into your mug. This forms the rich foundation of your latte. Next, we'll prepare the oat milk. For the best results, select a barista-style oat milk. It froths beautifully. Pour about 6 to 8 ounces of oat milk into your frothing pitcher. Heat the milk to a temperature between 140 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, froth it until it doubles in volume and develops a smooth, silky texture. This creates the perfect creamy topping. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious oat latte. Carefully pour your freshly brewed 1 or 2 shots of espresso into your favorite mug. Then, gently pour the perfectly frothed oat milk over the espresso, allowing the creamy foam to mix beautifully. Take a moment to admire your creation. Your homemade, warm, and creamy oat latte is now ready to be enjoyed immediately. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.